Everyone thinks this logo looks professional, but almost nobody notices biggest design problem. Can you find it? Don't worry, I'm going to redesign this logo from scratch. And by the end of this video, you'll never look at the logos the same way again. At first, I thought the icon was the biggest problem. I was completely wrong. I changed the icon, and honestly, it barely looked any better. That's when I realized I was fixing the wrong things. The real problem was the typography. Now it looks cleaner, but something still feels off. Then I noticed the spacing, this tiny detail changes everything. This is the final redesign. Be honest, which one would you choose, the original or the redesign?